how to scan a Clash Royale QR code. In this video, I'll show you how you can scan a Clash Royale QR code. So to get started, go ahead and open Clash Royale into your device and then click on the hamburger icon at the top right of your device and then select Supercell ID from here and that will take you here. So head over into the Friends tab and then click on this plus icon at the bottom right and then you'll be able to find the scan QR code button. So simply click on it and then click on continue and allow using the camera for scanning the QR code. So now go ahead and use your camera to face the QR code that you want to scan for your Clash Royale account. So simply scan the QR code using this and then you can go ahead and claim the reward contained for that specific QR code into your Clash Royale account, and that is how you can basically scan a Clash Royale QR code.